So that was the mystery pack. And I ordered that just because I wanted to know what a mystery pack was. This is my actual order. Zippers. These are, what are they? I think they were 21 inch. Let me get my paper back. My paper is here. It says 21 inch. Actually, it's on 2 pages. It's 2 different invoices. It's quite funny because I made the first order. And then I looked and I thought, I need zippers. So I got the zippers to add on. So she stopped the first order and put it through as one, so I didn't have to pay shipping twice. Ah, thank you. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous to ship a little teeny package of zippers like this. If you're gonna buy, you might as well just buy. Look at all those. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the pulls. You don't even have to put any fancy doodads on, which I have a friend, Carol Ann. She makes really nice doodads. She's always doing beadwork and jewelry. And she would make some lovely pulls if I didn't have some already. But these are pretty cool. I like these. I hope you can see them. So those would be nice on my bags. I could use the little ones for the inside pockets. And yellow ones. How many? 6? Yep, 6. These I ordered. These weren't part of the mystery pack either. And those have nice pulls on them too. Nice strong zippers too. Look at that. What do the black ones feel like? You noticed I'm hiding from the camera? Did I tell you I was on the treadmill for 45 minutes before this? You don't want to see me. Maybe next time I'll show you me. Anyway, that's pretty strong. That will last forever. Because, you know, you make it yourself, it lasts forever. These are the fabrics I ordered. I got this one because it's beautiful blue. This is an upholstery fabric. Upholstery fabric is perfect for bags. I also make jackets out of upholstery fabric too. Like, I think I've made about 3 now. Out of, basically, in the start, it looked like something you'd put on a chair or an ottoman. But I made a jacket out of it, and I'm really happy with it because it's really sturdy. So this is pretty. I got this because of the blue. This would make a beautiful tote bag. I just love that color. Perfect. I think the yellow might be okay with it too. Might not show up on the computer screens, but it's sort of similar to that. Most of it's hidden underneath anyway. So there's one. This is the second one. This one's more yellow. Can you see that one good? That's more yellow. That's very pretty. That's very summery. This is definitely with the zipper pull. Very classy tote bag. And this is the third and last one. This is the one, this is the whole reason I made my order. But of course, once you get on there, you see so many nice things, you just go nuts. So let's see, let's open this up. This is the circles. I like to call them retro circles. That is going to be a really nice bag. Nobody else in the world will have a bag looking like this one. And the zipper looks really nice with it too. Yep. All upholstery fabrics. So I ordered 1, 2, 3, specifically for bags. Tote bags. I've got a pattern that I haven't put out yet, but I make bags with it. And it's pretty cool. I like it. It fills everything, but then again, on the other hand, if you don't have anything in your bag, it doesn't hang like a piece of floppy fabric. It's very sturdy. So if you like any of those, just give me a buzz and we'll figure out some kind of way I can make a bag for you out of it. Perhaps you don't like tote bags. If you don't like tote bags, well, we could work with something else. But those are pretty. Then there's what else? Right. So there's my zippers that I ordered. And then there's back to the mystery pack, just to remind you, so you don't think it was all mystery pack. That was zippers, elastic, and more elastic ribbing, and shoulder pads for my shirt. Where did the fabric go? Here's my shirt. There's my shirt fabric. That would be a nice little subtle shoulder pad so that it gives it some shape so I don't look like a slouch. But on the other hand, it still looks nice. Not like a football player. So these three fabrics were the mystery pack. 4 meters of fabric, along with the 3 1-meter pieces that I ordered. Boy, I like this. This looks good together too, doesn't it? So if I make one bag out of this and have some leftovers, and one bag out of this and have some leftovers, I can mix them together. Or I can make a wallet out of this one and throw it in my tote bag. I'm liking those combinations. And then the last thing, of course, on the floor that I'm going to show you one more time is my little batch of buttons. I like the shiny ones. Blue and shiny. I think that's where I'm sold. Anyway, I think that's all that I had to say. I'm very happy with the order. I don't know if I told you. She didn't ask me to do this. I did this just because I bugged her with emails so much. And I was so excited to finally get it that I thought, I got to show you guys what a mystery pack is. So mystery packs are cool. Thank you. And if you like this, give me a like, and maybe next time when I do one, I'll actually show me, and I won't have been on the treadmill for 45 minutes. So have a nice day. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Bye from Linda at Lányos Handmade.